lets go of his mother's hand. How easy it is, he discovers, to simply loosen his grip around her clammy fingers, let his hand slip away and drop quietly to his side. At the mall today, she stared down at his list of school supplies for a long time before leading him through the store's entrance and through a maze of narrow aisles.
In here, Mama. In here.
Just pick one already, Kristen. Why not this one?
But this is for babies. Besides, Papa said he sent you a ton of money, so I shouldn't be getting a cheap stuff.
Really? You said that?
Do you think this is sharp enough, Mama?
I could murder him.
Mama.
Looks sharp enough to me.
He looks at her now, standing apart from him like a stranger, her hand hanging limply at her side. He blinks once, twice, and finds himself borne away, past the doors and into the womb of the brightly lit train. He hears her calling still, but the sound of her voice is drowned out by the doors sighing closed behind her.